Why is it that so many people struggle to build bigger biceps? First things first, let's bust a myth. Doing endless bicep curls with a heavy weight isn't the way to grow those muscles. Of course, you can gain a significant amount of size to your arm by doing that, but you can never beat that swole mate of yours, so what's the catch? Look at this picture or this. Do you think those muscles are made by doing thousands of curls? Of course not. The movement similarity between gorillas and gymnasts that helps them grow bigger biceps than anyone else is the ability to perform dynamic movements that require a high level of upper body strength and stability. Gorillas use their arms and shoulders to move through the trees, while gymnasts use their arms and shoulders to support their body weight during various movements on the rings, bars, and floor exercises. And there's a rock-solid scientific reason why dynamic movements are highly effective at building bigger biceps than isotonic movements. Isotonic movements like barbell curls, dumbbell curls, and cable curls involve flexing and extending the elbow joint while maintaining constant resistance throughout the range of motion. While these exercises can be effective for building muscle mass, they typically only involve the elbow joint during the movement. As a result, they do not involve as much muscle activation or fiber recruitment, but when performing a dynamic movement, multiple muscle groups are recruited in a coordinated effort to perform a complex movement. For example, during a chin-up, the biceps are required to work in coordination with the back, shoulders, and core muscles to perform a full pull-up. This simultaneous activation of multiple muscle groups leads to greater muscle fiber recruitment, which is essential for promoting muscle growth. If your biceps workout already consists of dumbbell curls, hammer curls, and concentration curls, you can add one or two compound movements at the beginning of your training. You can include exercises like pull-ups, chin-ups, and rows, which engage your biceps along with other muscle groups, and to work your biceps 2 to 3 times per week, with at least 48 hours of rest between sessions to allow your muscles to repair and grow. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to pump up those muscles.